Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make lollipops with gummy bears. First, gather your essential supplies: a bag of gummy bears, some lollipop sticks, and a silicone lollipop mold. Next, prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper. This makes handling much easier. Finally, preheat your oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This low temperature is perfect for gently melting the gummy bears without burning them, ensuring a smooth, delicious result for your homemade treats. Now that your oven is preheated, carefully arrange your gummy bears. Place them in a single layer within each cavity of your silicone mold. Don't overfill, as they will spread when melted. Then, gently place the silicone mold onto your prepared baking sheet. Slide it into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 5 to 8 minutes, or until the gummy bears are completely melted and look smooth. Keep a close eye on them to prevent overcooking. Once your gummy bears are perfectly melted, carefully remove the silicone mold from the oven. Be gentle, as the melted candy will be hot. Immediately, and while the gummy mixture is still warm and pliable, insert a lollipop stick into the center of each melted gummy bear pool. Twist slightly to ensure the stick is well coated and secure. Now, let your lollipops cool completely at room temperature until they are firm and solid. This usually takes about 30 minutes. After your lollipops have fully cooled and hardened, it's time for the satisfying part: gently popping them out of the silicone mold. The flexible silicone makes this super easy. Your delicious gummy bear lollipops are now ready to enjoy. For best results and to keep them fresh, store any uneaten lollipops in an airtight container at room temperature. They make fantastic party favors or a fun treat anytime. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.